With a vote of 52% in favor of leaving the EU, British voters decided that it was time for the UK to break their ties. The global financial markets reacted aggressively to the Brexit decision, with the Dow, S&P, and Nasdaq all tumbling 3.4% or more on the day the voting results were announced. So the pound-to-dollar exchange rate also dropped, and the drop in the value of the currency means more bucks for your pounds when you're on vacation. But this is not really that great news for the world of exports from here to there, because Britons will need to pay more for their same products, meaning fewer goods being sold to the UK, dropping the exports. Another downside is the panic selling of the financial markets due primarily to uncertainty. Although the housing market could benefit from all of this, we'll have to see as Treasury prices soared and investors flock to what they perceive as a safe haven in government bonds. The yield on a 10-year Treasury note ended down 16.4 basis points to 1.58%, and the 30-year yield fell 13.1 basis points to 2.43%. This is great news for home buyers as mortgage rates followed the same movement for the long-term yield and rates got better. Rates were expected to remain near 4% for the rest of the year before the Brexit vote occurred, but the latest development could potentially push rates further down to levels last seen in 2012. The Brexit vote probably slammed the door on any potential Fed rate hike for this year. Now more sellers may get off of the fence and move into their dream homes, making room for more first-time home buyers and giving us a little bit more inventory. Now you're minding your own business. So what's happening in the marketing front? Email marketing is getting tougher as open rates are declining, but it's still very cheap to get in front of your clients on a weekly basis using an email strategy. Here are 5 elements of a really good marketing email strategy. Number 1, compelling content. You gotta have great content. Marketing is meant to help, not sell, and engage your reader through the interesting topics. Number 2, strong subject lines. If they don't see it, they're not gonna open it. You need to take advantage of the short text opportunity to create intrigue for higher open rates. Build trust with your readers and be short and to the point. You'll lose them if you don't. Number 3, visually appealing. Your email should also be representative of you and your brand from colors and subject material so they know who they're seeing. Adding relevant photos will add interest as well. Number 4, contact and social information. Make it easy for them to find you and do not just throw a bunch of text into your email signature hoping that they're going to see what they need, because they won't. Number 5, calls to action. Add buttons like refer a friend, call for an appointment, search for new listings, click for more details, etc. Now just put it all together. If you follow these 5 elements, you should have a pretty darn good looking marketing email strategy. Well, that's it for another edition of the Real Estate Insider Weekly. Thanks for joining us. See you next week. Have a great day and let us know if we can help you in any way.